Our program is designed to get you outside and get you hands-on experiences that you need to be successful in the field of wildlife biology or environmental biology. Our degree programs will enable you to pursue careers in a number of directions, whether it be state, federal, nonprofit, zoos and aquariums, environmental education centers, and even graduate school. We work with each student to come up with a plan that will guide them in the direction they want to go. And students come into our program, they will graduate with the skills and coursework they need to be competitive in the environmental job market. We have a beautiful 170-acre preserve right on campus where we hold classes, do research, and other activities, and it's available for recreation to the community. We do a lot of hands-on stuff in the classroom, and we look at things that are relevant to what the job market wants. Our lectures are filled with real-world situations, and then students are able to discuss how they would make decisions on the job. And of course, we are always outside working on field skills whenever we can. The Nature Preserve, along with other local facilities, provide numerous opportunities to learn right in our backyard. There are days when I'll email a class that will be outside to learn instead of lecture time. And it's just so much fun to be out in the field and learning. Students are also encouraged to create and execute their own research projects. My students have worked on everything from coyotes and white-tailed deer to turtles and salamanders. What I love most about Keystone is that I can advise all sorts of really cool, fun projects. We have several clubs on campus that are involved in environmental outreach and advocacy. We have volunteered at a number of events, including Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation, hunting check stations for the state of Pennsylvania. And a lot of these things, students get to meet and interact with state biologists and the general public, and it gives them really good hands-on practice on how to communicate to the general public and to fellow scientists. And we don't just do things at home. Our Wildlife Society student chapter headed to Reno, Nevada for the National Wildlife Society Conference this past fall. We were able to explore the Reno Tahoe wildlife, participate in the Student Quiz Bowl, and network with some of the top wildlife professionals in the United States. We've also traveled to Benezet, Pennsylvania to talk to the elk biologists about elk management, and the Adirondacks to learn about bird banding and migration, and South Carolina to Francis Marion National Forest, where we volunteered with the Amphibian and Reptile Conservancy on amphibian and reptile surveys over spring break. We have a number of really fun activities planned for the future as well. So I hope all of you are staying healthy and enjoying the spring, even though we are in quarantine. And I hope to see everybody in the fall.